Welcome to the Mining Newsflash at Commodity-TV featuring Aurania, International Consolidated Uranium, Kuya Silver and Fury Gold Mines. Aurania Resources reported the identification of an iron oxide-copper-gold called IOCG system in the Tsenken N2 target area, extending to Tsenken N3, where it strengthens, and the first copper mineralization has been identified in the drill core at the company's Lost Cities Kutuku project in southeastern Ecuador. Assays from holes TS001-003 are awaited, and 001-2-003 of course, are awaited to determine whether there's gold in the system, and pathfinder element concentration should supplement observations from the core to allow them to vector towards the center of the system. Tsenken N2 and N3 targets form part of a single large IOCG target that is over 20 square kilometers in extent. By analogy with other IOCG systems around the world, they are typically large and, as the name implies, they contain gold as well as copper. The alteration mineral vectors indicate that the center of the system is in the northern part of Tsenken N3, and Hole 6 is planned to test that area. The copper-silver mineralized breccia at Tsenken N1 appears to be part of a different IOCG center, and the plan is to drill that after Hole 6. We look forward to Aurania's results and think that this is a huge project with lots of future potential. International Consolidated Uranium, shortly named CUR, announced that it has entered into an option agreement with a private arm's-length party providing CUR with the option to acquire a 100% undivided interest in the Moran Lake Project located in the central mineral belt of Labrador in Canada. The Moran Lake Project hosts the C-Zone, which was the subject of significant exploration activity between 2006 and 2013. This adds uranium and vanadium resources as the previous operator released an independent 43-101 resource estimate. The company continues rapid portfolio growth, as this is the third acquisition for CUR since May 2020. The company has an attractive acquisition structure with lower upfront consideration, with additional payments over time and contingent on high uranium prices. Moran Lake fits well with the company's strategy and makes a strong addition to the portfolio. Pursuant to the option agreement, CUR will secure the option to acquire 100% interest in the Moran Lake Project in consideration for the issuance of $150,000 of common shares and the transfer of the property from the vendor to CUR and the cash payment of $150,000 to the vendor by CUR. The option is exercisable at CUR's election on or before the third anniversary of the effective date for additional consideration of $500,000 in common shares and $500,000 in cash. Uranium is in front of a comeback, and International Consolidated Uranium is undervalued. Kuya Silver engaged Mining Plus to conduct a preliminary economic assessment on the Bethania silver mine project, in addition to completing a detailed engineering design of the development for an expansion to a production rate of 350 tons per day. Mining Plus is an international mining services provider, and they will complete a detailed design for the underground mining at the project. Prior to Kuya's involvement, the mine reached a production rate of 100 tons per day, with limited access to capital. While the desktop engineering will start right away, completion of the mandate is contingent on the completion of Kuya's initial drill program and reporting of a National Instrument 43-101 resource estimate. The second part of the mandate is to complete a preliminary economic assessment on the Bethania silver mine expansion project to a 43-101 standard. Concurrently, Kuya intends to execute a 5,000-meter drill program focused on improving confidence in zones close to the existing mine workings. The goal of this initial program is to report a resource estimate to a NI 43-101 standard, as well as testing extensions to the known veins along strike and at depths. The data and modeling obtained from this drill program will also be incorporated into the PEA and engineering design. Fury Gold Mines commenced the exploration phase of their ongoing 50,000-meter drill program at their 100% owned Eau Claire Project in the James Bay region of Quebec. This phase of the drill program is designed to test a 1-kilometer down-plunge extension of the Eau Claire deposit, with the goal of significantly expanding the existing resource. The company is identifying additional targets at Eau Claire on an ongoing basis, showing the large potential of the project. This infill drill program has progressed to hole 3, following encouraging performance and observations made on the first 2 holes. We look forward to first assay results, hopefully in January 2021 already. In the coming months, wants the company also update on the homestake ridge targeting and Committee Bay exploration programs. Me and/or my team are or will be shareholders in one and/or all stocks presented, and they are or will be included into the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.